Okay, go ahead.
Great. Okay.
Follow you. I think that the Yamon there is the Carroll Canyon, not the Carroll Climb.
Yeah. The climb's not that hard.
Watch for traffic, huh? Yeah?
Okay, well.
Okay.
Should be fine. For the next 50 feet.
Traffic with the right.
It's a little bit sloped here.
Slow down, careful here.
Yeah, line curve, line curve. Line curve, I'm good. Follow the fence.
Yeah. Okay.
I see him.
Stop.
Yeah, watch.
Stop.
Hold on.
What happened to you?
Hold on. No,
You cannot go up there, boy.
What?
You cannot go up with that kind of traction right now in your back. You have to get down your bike.
Oh, wait.
It's a lot of rocks.
Okay, I'm in first gear.
Try it?
I'll do it slowly this time.
Okay, try it. Try it.
Hey, man. Okay, hold on, I'll start it. I'll move.
Okay, like that, I think. Hey, I don't know if you can climb up like that, boy.
Oh, let's see, where am I? It should be fine. Come on.
Go, faster. You find it?
Yes, right here. Come on, going slowly. Oh, why are you taking a shortcut?
I'm just here.
It's your glimpse. Okay.
Keep going.
Checking.
Go ahead. Watch for that.
Slow down here, line curve. Okay.
No traffic, let's check it.
Okay.
Focus.
Alright.
Go.
Whoa, that's bumpy.
Yeah, you know.
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, go there as long as the first gear. Watch for traffic, I do not panic.
Okay. Here it is. What's that?
What?
Passed by something. You see it?
What?
I passed by like some metal thing. Did you see it?
It looks like a foot.
Foot.
Prosthetic foot or hands.
Ooh.
Somebody lost their hands. Somebody.
I was gonna say something for the exhaust, but okay.
Watch for traffic.
Watching. Oh yeah, it's actually pretty dangerous. Looks like there's no traffic, but all the way down.
Yeah.
See, but you're telling me to not hold on to the handlebar real hard for my palms not to hurt. But when we're going downhill, I have no choice.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not dealing with that. I don't see any traffic. I stalled here one time.
Man, I gotta see.
Keep distance.
Yeah, I'm okay. I just feel very scared when I have a problem. We're gonna go down and then we're gonna go up. I'm gonna go there.
Okay.
Okay?
Alright, I go.
Go down.
It's gonna be very slippery. Okay, man.
Do you know where?
Hold on. Not exactly.
Anywhere.
There's it. Here we are.
Anywhere.
I don't really recommend you stay in the same one I'm in.
Okay. Careful, slow down.
Okay, slow down now. Look, there's our van. See our van from here? See traffic down there, not a problem, it stops.
Watch out, boy.
Yeah.
Not so fast, okay?
Alright, I need to slow down. Are you on the same one I'm on?
Yeah, I'm just following you.
Okay. Wow.
Your back tires.
Yeah, I know, I'm feeling it.
Traffic.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna make a turn and go up. Okay, go first. first.
Okay.
Stop.
Wait. Yeah, that was the one I was talking about.
Careful here.
Stay on trail. I have no idea what year I'm in. Looks like second. Next second is okay.
Okay. Go up.
Okay, big.
Go up.
Yeah. That's a rock. No avoiding it.
You're standing up? No.
Not really.
Not really.
I'm kind of putting pressure on the pegs.
Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, this part here that's really scary. Be careful here, boy, huh?
Yeah. Don't die. It's not time to die.
Good.
Alright, you know what to do. Or I guess not.
What did you do there? You put your... You stand up?
I'm gonna kick on my foot.
Okay, you wanna go ahead?
Cross. There you go.
We're gonna go to the loop, boy, huh?
The loop, okay.
Remember the last time where you stuck? We gotta go in that direction. Counterclockwise.
Okay. Oh, wheelie here.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oops. Okay, good. Oh. Traffic.
Where?
No traffic, good.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yeah. I have that mindset where that's not okay to be at a higher RPM. we keep this for trail, if you use it for racing, it's gonna last. Right.
What's up there?
So I still have no accidents there.
There's a lot of footprints there. Okay, let's go back to the spy, subject to drinks.
Okay. Traffic, no traffic from the companion. We have 4 traffics.